Fish Fiesta 2024 is not just a celebration of our rich cultural heritage and the abundance of the lake's resources. It is also a platform to showcase Kisumu as a vibrant hub for fishing, tourism, and catalyst for sustainable economic growth. The event brings together communities, stakeholders, and visitors from near and far to celebrate the flavors, traditions, and opportunities that our city and its surroundings offer. Through this event, we aim to highlight the significance of our fisheries industry. We also hope to promote responsible fishing practices and also to explore the untapped opportunities within the fishing tourism sector. Through activities such as Mr. and Miss Tourism, exhilarating boat race competitions, Mr. and Miss Flex, Mr. and Miss Strong, and the traditional art of the rural wrestling, we are showcasing the diverse talents and skills that make our community vibrant and unique, and also serving as a platform for promoting tourism, fostering unity, and celebrating our collective identity.
Na hau niho tukwamba guikiria rohani ndi wakorwo githiera